sangkot ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Ayon po yan kay Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla. Nakatutok si Sandra Aguinaldo.
4 oras.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng kanyang testimonya, naglabas ng supplemental affidavit si former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Ito ay para punuan daw ang mga kulang na detalye sa una niyang binasang affidavit sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Kasama dito ang mga detalye tungkol kay Senator Cheese Escudero na sinabi niyang pinadalhan niya ng 160 million pesos. Dagdag niya ngayon, nagkausap daw sila ni Escudero.
While I was attending the confirmation hearing of Secretary Bonoan sometime in August 2022, I was summoned by Senator Cheese to his room. When I got there, he told me, hindi na ako bababa sa CA. Marami pa akong kulang na streetlight sa Sorsogon. Ano ba magagawa nyo para sa akin? I replied, kakausapin ko po si Sec Bonaan kung paano ang gagawin. I relate to Secretary Bonoan what Senator Cheese told me.
Kasunod nito, nakatanggap daw siya ng listahan ng proyekto mula sa bayaw ni Escudero.
He asked me to confirm if that streetlights projects was the one for Senator Cheese, which I did.
Nasundan umano ito ng pagkikita nila ni Escudero noong 2023.
I met with the latter in a private room in the said establishment. While we were drinking wine, he told me, alam ko naman ang galawan niyo dyan sa DPWH. Okay naman ako. Sabihin mo kay Sec magbaba sa akin. Also, the delivery of the 160 million for Senator Cheese referred to in paragraph 17 of my affidavit happened sometime in the first quarter of 2025. Around July 2025, I had a chance encounter with
I'll
Senator
be back
Cheese
when there's
and
something
Maynard
important
Lacapor.
about
Senator
the
Cheese
Baguio
Escudero
or
approached me,
yeah,
shook
it's
my
Baguio
hand,
Opong.
and said to me,
Opo
"Thank
po.
you."
Okay,
Ng National
that's
Bureau of
something
Investigation
good.
na sampahan ng reklamo ang mga personalidad na binanggit ni Bernardo. Kasama daw sa rekomendasyon si Speaker Martin Romualdez, Senador Escudero at dating Senador Nancy Binay. Pero pinag-aaralan pa raw ito at ine-evaluate pa si Bernardo. Sabi pa ni Remulla, nasabihan na rin nila ang Anti-Money Laundering Council.
I think that's all for today. I'll make a part 2 later.